The Body Dryer Project by Nicholas Yulke, Laura Bailey, and Luke Michael. The idea of the body dryer is that it will replace the use of towels. When one would normally use a towel, they could instead use a body dryer. It would be similar to the Dyson Blade hand dryers in bathrooms, except on a larger scale, where it could dry one's whole body. In order to be efficient and to save time, the dry-off time goal of the body dryer would be to dry someone off in under 3 minutes. Something that makes the body dryer preferable to a towel is that it would save energy because one would not need to wash and dry all the towels that are used. In order to make the body dryer system practical, it would have to operate on a 120-volt electrical system. In order to meet all the goals and design parameters that were mentioned above, many concept designs were considered. The concept that met all the parameters and was the overall best design was the arch design. The arch design has arch-shaped ductwork that conducts air up both sides. One would stand under the arch to dry off. There are nozzles on the inside of the walls of the arch that allow air to blow out at a user to dry them off. The air is blown into the arch by a blower on the bottom of each side of the arch. In order to make the design practical, all the materials will be common materials that can be obtained at a hardware store or similar stores. For the working prototype that was constructed, the two blowers were both 3 tons, which then blew the air into an 8-inch diameter ductwork that has a thickness of 26 gauge. The ductwork of the arch is held together by screws. The air is blown out by 12 nozzles. Each one is 2 inches wide and 4 inches tall. The blowers are wired using 12-gauge wiring that go to a 120-volt outlet, which allows it to run on a common 20-amp-hour circuit. In order to keep the arch stable, there are 2 stands made of wood that support the blower assemblies and keep them fixed. To maximize convenience and user satisfaction, the body dryer is turned on and off by a clapper. The working prototype was tested to determine its performance. The body dryer surpassed design specifications of 3 minutes and dries a person off in under 1 minute. The goal of saving electricity can be seen in that it only uses 0.0133 kilowatt hours every time it is used. This saves time and money that would be spent washing and drying towels. The top of the arch has a height of 88 inches, which is shorter than standard ceilings, allowing it to fit in any room that is desired. The bottom of the arch has a height of 80 inches, which allows anyone but a giant to use the body dryer. The design is sized for a standard doorway width and height. Because of these dimensions, the body dryer could be installed in the drywall of a doorway. This would allow someone to have the benefits of the body dryer, but not have it take up any precious space. Because safety is of the utmost importance, all the edges of the body dryer are smooth, which will prevent anyone from being cut on it. Finally, since the body dryer has so few parts and is such a clever, simple design, it makes the body dryer easy to install, operate, and maintain in working order with minimum upkeep.
Thank you, Indoor Comfort team. Couldn't have done it without you.